Graham Stephan rise from college dropout to self-made millionaire. Subscribe to the channel and comment down below saying I subscribed to enter this month's shoutout giveaway. Graham Stephan is more than a famous YouTuber. He is an influencer and he's a realtor. He became a millionaire at 26. Here is his story.
About how I became a millionaire by the age of 26.
Graham Stephan was born on April 22, 1990 in Santa Monica, California. He has a house in Los Angeles and several other properties that he rents. Graham's path towards success started when he turned 18 and decided not to go in college. Instead, he got his real estate license online and started with leasing properties mostly by putting ads on Craigslist. Later on, he managed to become a full-time realtor, and by the age of 26, he earned $2 million in commission. He currently works as a realtor at the Oppenheim Group.
Now, just as a quick background here, I started selling real estate as a real estate agent shortly after I turned 18 years old.
According to him, the most important thing that you need to succeed is to believe in yourself. With this thought, he started his YouTube channel, and in 3 years, he managed to make the monthly income of around $100,000. This income comes from ads, views, sponsored content, and more. He has 2 YouTube channels with an incredible 1.4 million subscribers on his main channel and 280K on the Graham Stephan Show channel, where he films reactions on how famous people on YouTube spend their money. Graham Stephan makes videos on his main channel about earning and saving money to make money. He covers the subject of business, personal finance, and investing. He covers a specific topic with desirable content for high-paying ads. Early life. Graham Stephan was raised in Santa Monica, California. According to him, his parents lived from paycheck to paycheck. While attending school, he found the coursework to be pointless, as academic performance suffered as a result. Prior to his real estate career, he had worked jobs at a marine aquarium wholesaler, a drummer in a band, and a data entry job. Real estate. Stephan earned his real estate license shortly after leaving school at the age of 18. Contrary to other realtors, Stephan focused on areas that are ignored by real estate agents. This resulted in him earning relatively less than other realtors. He would also offer to take higher quality photos of property for real estate ads for other realtors, and then would get a commission from the money earned. His strategy made him incredibly successful, much more so than his peers. According to his website, he has sold over $125 million in real estate. Due to his earnings from real estate, he has become a millionaire at the age of 26. He has worked with famous clients such as Orlando Bloom and Chloe Grace Moretz. His work has been featured on the television shows Selling Sunset and $1 Million Listing Los Angeles. Stephan also teaches about real estate. He has spoken across the United States and Canada, teaching new investors how to purchase real estate. He has also made an online course called the Real Estate Agent Academy, which aims to achieve the same goal. YouTube. Stephan started his main channel at 2016. Common topics include financial independence, saving money, investing money, and real estate investing. Stephan's philosophy is to save money whenever possible. He also started a second channel, The Graham Stephan Show, which follows a more raw format and primarily focuses on reactions to other financial related videos. He has reacted to YouTubers such as PewDiePie, Pokemon, and Tiffany Ma. Outside of his own YouTube, he has been featured on an episode of Spectrum from Jubilee. 100 grand in 1 month. Graham's primary career is real estate sales. He launched his YouTube channel in December 2016, mainly because he loves talking about money and thought it would be fun to do it on YouTube videos. On the channel, Graham talks about investing money and shares strategies that are working for him. He covers financial independence, early retirement, house hacking, credit, and saving money.
What's up YouTube, it's Graham here. I'm going to make a video today of the easiest tips that you can do to be successful in real estate.
Net worth. Graham Stephan has a promising career as a YouTuber. According to various sources like Wikipedia, net worth portals, and financial portals, estimated net worth of Graham Stephan is approximately $10 million. Personal life. Concerning his private life, he recently started living with his girlfriend. They started dating at the beginning of 2019. There is ongoing mystery about her name. Graham Stephan refers to her as Graham's girlfriend. Based on that, she opened an Instagram account @unofficialgg and started her own YouTube channel called Savannah Smiles. He also has a cat named Ramsey.
Afterwards, my girlfriend and I decided to go out to this place in Los Angeles called Milk, and
Life tips. He also gives tips on how to spend money, for example. He still shops in H&M even though he earns 7 figures a year. Also, he is sort of famous by 20-cent coffee he makes at home, instead of buying the coffee at Starbucks.
with a cup of homemade iced coffee, of which the total comes to about 20 cents, stuff that Starbucks is going to be charging you for $5.
Some might call him cheap, but he calls himself frugal. One of the luxuries he allows himself himself is to cars. The first car he bought with the money he earned was 2008 Lotus Exige S240, and right now he is the proud owner of Tesla Model 3.
I just bought the $35,000 Tesla Model 3, and just like any 28-year-old millennial would do, I ordered it online without ever having seen.
This brings us to the end of our video. I hope you enjoyed it. Hit like if you did, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on any of our videos in the future. Also, watch the 2 videos that are on your screen because I'm sure you'll love them. With that, I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.